So the first one is the accordion component. It's pretty basic in the use. It's like a title that is clickable. When you click on it, there is an associated content that collapse or open. In JavaScript, it will take maybe just one class removing and opening. But there are a lot of accessibility that is already inside the detail summary tags in HTML. So we can navigate with tabs, open with enter. And if we search for text that is not visible, like lorem ipsum, it will open the drop-down because it knows the content there is inside. So it's open by researching the word. And to do that, it's really simple. In HTML, you have to declare a details tag. Inside, you take the summary. So the summary will be the title, the clickable part of your accordion. And then below, you can add whatever you want. The content that will be collapse or open. By default, it looks like this. So without style, you have an arrow, the title, the text, and everything. It works. So if you remove JavaScript from your browser, it works. The open property. So open will tell you that this accordion will be opened on the start of the page. So if I reload the page, the first one is open by default. Cool if you need this. And the second one I like is that you can link multiple accordion together. It's like inputs. You just have to put names on each details. So here I have a name test for the first one and the second one, the two. And when they are linked, only one of them can be open at a time. So when I try to open one, the other one closes. By default, you can open the two together.
I love that you only need to get that open element. So if you do anything interactive in JavaScript, you can just remove and add the open attribute. So you don't need to do any re-rendering or anything like that.
And yes, so it has some properties in HTML, but you can have one that is also nice to have in CSS. So the details tag has an open property that is available to style when the drop-down is open. So that's how you do the transition, the height transition, for example. By default, it's instantaneous. Here, I added a small transition in the height. So yeah, so you have this, and you have also the details content property that allows you to style the content of the accordion. So here for the transition, for the height transition, I use this. And then, yeah, when it's open, the details content height is auto, and when it's closed, the details content is 0, and then you animate everything. By default, the arrow, it looks like this. It's a bit ugly, it's hard to style, so you can hide it with a WebKit details marker and use, I don't know, an after tag or a SVG somewhere to style the arrow here.